Hello guys, welcome to the Arsenal Insights. Have you ever wondered what the future holds for military equipment? How will advanced weaponry redefine the way wars are fought? Can cutting-edge technologies truly give an edge on the battlefield? Picture this. In 2024, countries worldwide are preparing to reveal advanced military equipment. It's like catching a glimpse into the future of warfare, where precision meets adaptability and strategic planning is key. Join us as we take a sneak peek into the future of military equipment, where there's no limit to innovation, and the way battles are fought will never be the same. The General Atomics Mojave. The General Atomics Mojave is a special kind of unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, that's being developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. This high-tech aircraft, introduced on December 9, 2021, can take off and land in short distances. The Mojave isn't just an ordinary drone. It's meant to do important jobs like surveillance, close air support, and armed overwatch. It had its first test flight in the summer of 2021, and boy did it soar. The big reveal happened on December 9, 2021, and people were impressed. What makes the Mojave stand out is its ability to fly over rough terrain with a full load of combat gear. Imagine that. Plus, it's super flexible. You can outfit it with all sorts of electronic gadgets to help out troops on the ground. By 2024, we expect to see the Mojave in action, and let us tell you, it's a game changer in the world of automated aerial vehicles. The FIM-92K Stinger. The FIM-92K Stinger is a significant upgrade to the manned portable surface-to-air missile system. With enhanced electronic components, it represents a notable advancement over its predecessor, the 92J model. What sets this new production version apart is its versatility. It can be effectively deployed from a variety of ground vehicles and helicopters. When it's up in the air, they call it the air-to-air Stinger. Pretty catchy, right? Its ability to counter unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs with great accuracy is a standout feature. Unlike earlier models, the FIM-92K Stinger uses a vehicle data link to find targets, making it more effective in battle. Expected to be ready for action in 2024, it marks a significant achievement in surface-to-air missile systems. Quite excited. The CH-47F Block II helicopter. This advanced helicopter is a heavy-lift transport chopper with a twin-turbine tandem rotor design. Its main job is to carry 31 combat troops, artillery, and loads weighing up to 22,000 pounds. Now that's neat. Back in 2020, the CH-47F Block II completed a whopping 387 hours of flight testing. That's quite an achievement. The Army needed a strong heavy-lift helicopter for all sorts of missions, and the CH-47F Block II fits the bill perfectly. It plays a crucial role in tasks like air assault, moving troops around, evacuating casualties, recovering aircraft, and resupplying areas. You name it, this helicopter can handle it. Currently, Boeing's Philadelphia factory is putting together the first two CH-47F Chinook Block II helicopters. They're in the final stages of assembly, and we can expect them to be delivered early in the fiscal year 2024. The Air CPS-WS. It is also known as the Intermediate Range Conventional Prompt Strike Weapon System. It's a ballistic missile created by the U.S. Army, designed to travel distances between 500 and 5,500 kilometers. On August 6, 2019, Lockheed Martin hooked a hefty $406 million contract from the U.S. Navy. Their task, to work on the large-diameter rocket motor to support this groundbreaking weapon system. It's a pretty big deal. The F-15EX Super Eagle. This Super Eagle is a two-seat version based on the F-15X aircraft. designed for strike missions and possibly replacing the F-15E Strike Eagle. There are some pretty cool upgrades, like the Advanced Missile and Bomb Ejector Rack System, which allows it to carry up to 22 air-to-air missiles. That's quite a load. But wait, there's more. It also comes with infrared search and track capabilities, advanced avionics and electronic warfare gear, an AESA radar, and a stronger structure that can last for up to 20,000 hours of service. The F-15EX had its first flight on February 2nd, 2021. It was supposed to start service in 2023, but got delayed to 2024. It's part of making the Air Force stronger. Speaking of plans, the Air Force's budget proposal for fiscal 2024 includes money to buy 24 more F-15EXs. If all goes well, they could end up with a total fleet of 104 of these bad boys. It's an exciting time for military aviation, that's for sure. The Precision Strike Missile. It is a new short-range ballistic missile made for the United States Army. The main goal? To replace the MGM-140 ATA CMS. This missile is built to hit targets within a range of 60 to 499 kilometers. It's got a better guidance system than the ATA CMS, which means it's more accurate. They're aiming to have the PRSM ready for action in 2024. The first version will be able to target stationary land-based stuff. But here's the cool part. Future versions will be even better. They'll be able to track and hit moving targets on land and even out at sea. The SM-6 Block 1B. Let's dive into the details of the SM-6 Block 1B. An upgraded version of the US Navy's arsenal. It comes with a more powerful rocket engine, which could potentially help the missile reach hypersonic speeds. That's pretty impressive. Note that the SM-6 variant aims to target hypersonic threats, such as the latest anti-ship missiles from Russia and China. Brace yourselves, because this adaptable missile isn't just for fast-moving threats, it's also effective against surface targets and can be deployed from any ship or location, which is convenient. What's even better is that the Block 1B variant has enhanced abilities against ballistic missiles, so it's not just about defending against fast ships, it can also handle incoming missiles effortlessly. The USS Lyndon B. Johnson, DDG-1002. This ship is the final Zumwalt-class destroyer for the US Navy. Named after President Lyndon B. Johnson, it began its journey from Bath, Maine on December 9, 2018. After being named on April 27, 2019, it sailed to Ingalls Shipping in Mississippi on January 12, 2022. These ships can do a lot of different jobs, like land attack and littoral warfare. They have a special hull shape that's based on old ironclad warships. It's a neat combination of history and modern technology. The F-16 Block 7072. This is the latest F-16 Fighter Falcon version, packed with upgrades to keep it flying strong until at least 2060. The upgrade gives it a 50% longer life than earlier models, lasting 12,000 hours. It can team up closely with allied forces. Amazing, right? One of the standout features is Northrop Grumman's advanced APG-83 AESA radar. This radar is top-notch and enhances the fighter's ability to target in any weather conditions. Plus, pilots get better details of the target area and digital maps for improving situational awareness. It's all about making sure the pilots have the best tools for the job and can work closely with our allies. With these upgrades, the F-16 Block 7072 is ready to take on whatever challenges come its way in the years to come. The New Jersey SSN 796. It is part of the Block 4 Virginia-class submarines and the third submarine in the United States Navy to bear the name of the state of New Jersey. One major improvement from Block 3 is that maintenance periods have been reduced from 4 to 3. This means each submarine can spend more time on deployment, extending its operational lifespan by one period. Quite productive. This state-of-the-art submarine incorporates the latest advancements in hidden technology, intelligence gathering capabilities, and cutting-edge weapon systems. The naming ceremony took place on November 13, 2021, followed by the exciting launch on April 14, 2022. New Jersey is scheduled to be commissioned into service on April 6, 2024. It's an important milestone for the Navy and a testament to the ongoing advancements in submarine technology. We've taken a fascinating journey into the future of combat, exploring next-gen military equipment that's set to redefine warfare as we know it. What do you think about these groundbreaking advancements? Are you excited about the future of combat technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.